Okay, hi everyone. So today I want to give a demo of the SuccessFactors mobile app. I'm showing this on Android, and so you can see it looks pretty similar to what you'd expect from the SuccessFactors homepage. Kind of at the top, you have the different quick actions that you can take. I showed previously viewing your pay statement, but you can also request time off. It has the for you today, and so in this case, it's been 41 days since your last vacation, so it's kind of nudging me there. I could click this and create an absence, see what this looks like, what you'd expect. You can enter a type of absence, date, see your balance, and then choose how many days you're requesting off. Enter any team member, or excuse me, view any absences for other team members that might be out at the same time as well. So yeah, I have that quick action. You'd also have organizational updates to navigate and view things as well. Hard to see on because of the header. There's also a search bar here. So if I am looking for someone specifically, right, I can navigate to Jeff Bell. So this kind of shows that new experience where you have kind of a high level landing page and you look at someone, right? So it gives you ideas about who they are, what they do, where in the organization they are, the reporting line, that sort of thing. And then if you want to actually view their full profile, you'll do that using the authorizations you have. So I'm logged in as an admin, but just to kind of show this is what compensation information looks like. You can kind of see that I have the high level with the chart. You can see any deductions or one-time payments and things like that. If you press view all, then you kind of go into it a little more and see those the specific details of it. So that's kind of what that looks like there. And then of course you can look at other specific data. So if I go to the job data, then I'll see more specific information for that. Right? So this is company, business unit, division, department, supervisor, etc. All the details there, including relationships. So yeah, I won't go through the whole profile, but just kind of navigating around. You might also want to look at the org chart. So this gives you a view of that. You can see what this shows is Jeff is have 8 direct reports and then 29 indirect reports as well. So and then one matrix relationship as well. So I want to navigate to someone else on their team, right? I can kind of click around and see, okay, there's some of the second level reports that they have. And if I want to go click into one, then I can actually click their profile. That brings them up. If I close this, will take me back to where I was. I could search for someone specific on the org chart here as well. So different options there. Going back to the home page, it is a little hard to see, but on the left side here, you'll see that we have a list of different activities that we also have. So your to-do opportunities. I showed time off. Showed org chart. Payroll. I've shown this previously. This would show the pay history. So by default, it actually defaults pays within the current year. I haven't run all the payroll from this, so in this case, I would need to do this, which in a production system you wouldn't, because you would have an active pay. This kind of shows how you'd be able to click into that and do that, including view the pay statement as well. So view your pay statement. I showed time off here. I've shown the profile of people. I've shown the org chart as well. What else? So let me go back to the home page. And if you want to view my team, this actually is a shortcut to the org chart there as well. I don't think I have any to-dos here, but this is if you have any approvals or requests. Looks like there's a couple really old ones here, even performance reviews and other things like that. So you can kind of click into this and see what is outstanding. In this case, self-assessment if you need to as well. Going back to the home page. Top right, this is your own profile. You can see where you also are able to see this. And then I think there's some cool things here with just being able to call someone really quickly, email, or that sort of thing. You have the authorizations. You can even take the action here, right? So this is what you get used to seeing on the desktop app as well. So you can do quite a lot with the phone as well. So this one, it does look a little different. You can actually add the about me video, and so you're actually seeing your own profile and what you want to come off. You'll see that the picture is also editable here as well. The background is is editable because I'm looking at my own profile. It shows the local time for me based upon my time zone as well. So if I come into the edit profile, you can see, you can adjust your about yourself here as well. You can see the skills that we have here, the competencies. All right, well, that's just a quick introduction and tour of the SuccessFactors mobile app. So thanks for watching.